And now our stool is ready. Fully finished the complete assembly process of all components. Hi, how's it going, friends? My name is Cristian Carvajal, and I'm really excited because today we're going to show you our brand new FORZA ONE 1500 watts. For that, we're going to make a stool out of 3mm carbon steel. This is a video that a lot of people have asked us for, to see how this new machine we've added to the FORZA Laser catalog performs. It's me. We invite you to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos, which are uploaded every Sunday on our channel. You're probably wondering why we're going to make a stool. A couple of weeks ago, we made much smaller products. However, this product is a bit more elaborate. What we want to show in this video is precisely the versatility of laser cutting. With one machine, I can make a prototype or work in series production. Many times, we think we need a ton of machines to start a project. And that's exactly what laser cutting is here for, to revolutionize processes and the way we carry them out. As I mentioned, we can start with a small prototype or even plan ahead with 2 or 3 machines for mass production if we have a product that really takes off in the market. With laser cutting, we gain precision and repeatability. We're talking about having a fully finished product. I don't need any kind of post-processing, and in this way, we're going to make something very simple, but in the end, it still has its own level of complexity. As you already know, a laser cutting machine offers us a lot of versatility when it comes to the materials we can work with. Specifically, the fiber laser machine allows us to work with different metals: aluminum, copper, brass, stainless steel, and in this case, we're going to be working with 3mm carbon steel. However, we also already have MDF cuts ready to complete today's product. We have the design for our stool ready. Join me as we review the parameters we're going to work with. For the 3mm carbon steel, we already have our cutting parameters preloaded. However, today we want to introduce a new tool we have for our entire community. We've developed library.forzalaser.com, which is a parameter library that each of our users can download according to their needs. If, at the time of installation, the technician didn't set up the parameters right then, each of our clients still has completely free access to this platform. If you're not a FORZA customer but want to download a parameter, you can do that too, and you can contact us so we can help you load that parameter onto your machine. So we're all set. We double-check the information and we're ready to start cutting. Come with me to load the materials so we can get to work. We've already loaded our material, checked the design, and also our parameter. That means we're ready to get started. It's important to mention that we're going to use oxygen as the assist gas. We have a video where we go much more in depth about what type of gas you should use with a 1500 watt or 3000 watt machine, so I invite you to check it out. Let's check the amount of material I need to make my product. If you look closely, the material has several traces of rust. So, what we're going to do is a quick engraving step to remove this layer of rust so the laser can cut through the material properly. Rust creates a protective surface layer on the material, which is why we do this engraving step, to remove all that rust before we can properly cut through the material with the laser. Our cuts are now ready. Come with me to see exactly why we love working with laser cutting technology, okay? It's important to mention that our cut is completely clean. We guarantee precision and tolerance so that our subsequent processes are much simpler. The pieces are now ready. Let's start removing this material so we can move on to the next steps. It's a technology with a very low operating cost, highly efficient, and it allows us to produce products of excellent quality. Next, we're going to do a welding process. We're going to add some bolts. And now the structure of our stool, made from 3mm carbon steel, is ready. I want you to join me to take a look. From the cutting machine, we move on to the welding process. At this point, the structure is already welded. Once this is welded, it's ready to finish the assembly. All we have to do is add our seat on top. For this, we're going to use the holes we've made with the laser cutting machine. Here, it's very important to note that these holes didn't require a drill or any other process. I made all the long cuts directly on the machine, as well as the guides to be able to add this final piece. Similarly, for the stool legs, we're going to use these rubber bases so they don't scratch the floor. And now our stool is ready. We've finished the assembly. Remember, we went through a cutting process and a welding process. If we wanted, we could paint it. We've decided to leave the finished product just like this. And we've used a couple of pieces of wood and a couple of screws to complete the assembly. But it's super easy to have a finished product using metal laser cutting technology. If you have any questions about how to make this product or maybe about the machinery, I invite you to leave us a comment about what other material you'd like to see us use to make any kind of product. And to see more information about the FORZA ONE, which we used to make this product, I invite you to watch our video, FORZA ONE Uncovered, which we uploaded a few days ago. And that's all for today, friends. Remember that with your FORZA fiber laser machine, you can customize any product however you like. Here, we could have had a logo or another type of pattern without needing to make a mold, without needing any other technology. If you have any questions, leave them for us in the comments. This product is ready to use, and we'll see each other next time. See you soon.